Matthew Bull. I'm the owner of Mattie Service Center here in Milford, Connecticut. I've been in business since 1992 at the age of 18, so approximately 33 years. I've always been into cars, fixing things and stuff like that. At the age of 18, I had an opportunity to start a business by taking over a building, and from there, I really didn't have a vision at that point, but here we are today. We do complete auto repair, from engine replacements, oil changes, tires, brakes, alignments. Everything's done in-house. We make sure everything is exceptional. Our clients are taken care of. We are human beings too, so we know that the importance of getting their cars back on the road, making sure it's financially feasible to them, and making sure they're safe is a main goal to us, and making sure that they get it back in a timely fashion. I think what brings people back here is my team, the way they treat my clients, our workmanship, our attention to detail, our clean shop, and making sure that everybody that leaves here is understanding their repairs and is happy. A lot of the public portrays the auto repair as crooks and so on and so forth, and changing that view of us in this industry and being able to help the community and help people in need, it makes us feel proud. I never thought a day in my life that Mattie's would be this large and this successful, and I thank my team and everybody involved.
My name is Jacob Fisher. My position is shop foreman, and I've been at Mattie's for about 7 years now. Day-to-day life at Mattie's Service Center, it's an experience, always ever-changing and a lot of fun. We work hard, we like to help each other out, try to support each other as best possible.
My team is very essential to the operation of this business and the success of this business. Everybody that's in place has a job to do. They're very passionate to what they do. They care about the business, they care about me, and they take care of all the day-to-day operations.
Oh, I love the team. You people are my family here. When I come in, there's always a smile. There's, how you doing? There's a joke. There's, I just talk to everybody, hug people. They like I can feel the love when I come in here. My name is Jenny Rosado. I've been a client of Mattie's for almost 25 years. I believe Mattie is very fair. He won't do something on your vehicle unless you approve it. He gives you options, and he's always been very honest with me, so I think that's what someone else would want in a mechanic.